Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have the basics ready, now start. Open your AI chat and paste a short context. Give one clear goal, such as summarize or draft. Next, add constraints, length, tone, and format, e.g., 200 words, bullet list, formal. Once done, ask for an outline. That gives structure and reveals misunderstandings early. This first exchange sets direction, so be precise. A focused prompt takes you straight into useful output without wasted back and forth. Now refine the draft with targeted requests. Ask the chat to expand a section, provide examples, or simplify technical terms. Explain why you need each change. If the output is too long, say, shorten to 150 words and keep key points. This forces compression. Once you see a pattern of errors, correct one example and ask the model to apply that correction across the whole text. This iterative approach turns rough output into polished work, and it trains the session. Finish by validating content. Ask the AI to list assumptions and verify facts step by step. Then request the final format you need: clean text, a copyrighty email, or a code block. If something is incorrect, don't blame the model. Show a single corrected example and ask it to redo the section using that pattern. A key troubleshooting tip: when output drifts, reset context with a short new prompt and paste only the essential parts. This often fixes hallucinations quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.